What's up, my name is Troubleshoot, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you Joyride for Legion. We need to kill 15 enemies while on the roof of a moving vehicle at the beach club or power plant, and kill 15 enemies while leaning out of a moving vehicle at town center. Obviously, you'll need to do this with a vehicle. So I'll find my way to any vehicle, preferably with a teammate, otherwise you can peek out of the window by getting up to speed, switching seats, and peeking out the window. As long as you're moving, it should count if you're doing this solo, but if you have a teammate, one of you can drive and the other one can shoot. It doesn't matter who does it, just as long as someone does. So the power station is over here, and the town center here. On top of this, the beach club is all the way down south here as well, so heading down this road roughly should take you in the right direction. I don't know if I was moving enough. Yeah, cool, that's it for here. So obviously when you've killed all of them at the power plant, we'll move across to the beach club for this. Slowly. As soon as you see people, that is. Reloading. Whoop. Is that it? That's it. Okay, let's go far up north to the town center here. Actually, I can't lean out of this vehicle. Let's just extract here. Oh, there's people here. Alright, so for the next bit, we need to kill 15 enemies leaning out the window of a moving vehicle at town center. Town center is here. That's a player. I downed him. That's AI. Ow. Anyways, from here we revived and continued. Unfortunately, my game crashed. We found a new one and finished off this mission. It wasn't recording properly, but it's simple enough. You get the point and you understand the locations now. The town center does expand quite a bit further than you would think, so just keep taking down enemies as far as you can. Eventually, you'll stop receiving the pop-up. That's when you need to turn around and head back. Anyways, that's about it for this guide. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.